If you want to text on the Google Pixel Watch 3, then all you have to do is just to click on this button. Right now you will have to go for Messages, which is located here. You can simply open it. And now you've got even some chats from your phone. But if you want to start a chat, you can just click here. And now you can pick someone from your contact, but also you can input the number manually. So that's actually your choice. And now we can start chat by clicking here. And as you can see right now, you can use your keyboard to start texting. Also, when we try to go back, okay, never mind. This is one more time. You can use your voice, like voice message or voice to text, and you can answer with emojis. There we go. So as you can see, we've got like 2 different methods how we can actually send messages. And if you have an eSIM, then the messages will go straight from your watch. But if you have the Wi-Fi version, like in my case, then the messages will be sent from your phone. Thanks for watching.